Pro-Chancellor of Delta State University DELSU, General Alexander O. Ogomudia, retired CFR, and the Vice-Chancellor Professor Samuel O. Asagba, on Tuesday, April 14, 2026, paid a working visit to the Delta State University Investment Limited (DEL) as part of effort to strengthen institutional enterprises in line with global best practices. The visit was aimed at evaluating the operational efficiency and developmental progress of the university's investment arm, as well as gaining first-hand insight into its activities under the leadership of the acting managing director, Rev. Oghenesuwye Okpara. During the tour, the delegation inspected key operational facilities, including the pure water factory, guest house, farm, oil mill, and printing press, all managed under DELSU investment. The Pro-Chancellor and Vice-Chancellor expressed satisfaction with the progress recorded, commending the management team for its effort in strengthening the institution's commercial and developmental capacity. They further urged sustained commitment to innovation, efficiency, and expansion in line with global standards for university-based enterprises. The visit concluded at the office of the acting managing director, where the delegation was detained, followed by a group photograph to mark the occasion. The delegation included senior university officials and management staff of DELSU Investment. I am Kere, a tide faith, if you want to report.